Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the mountain. Number 1. Mountains are majestic natural formations. Number 2. Mountains offer breathtaking views. Number 3. They can reach great heights. Number 4. They often have steep, rugged slopes. Number 5. Mountains can be newly formed or ancient. Number 6. Rivers often originate in mountains. Number 7. Many people enjoy hiking in the mountains. Number 8. They influence local weather patterns. Number 9. They are home to diverse ecosystems. Number 10. Mountains are both challenging and inspiring. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.